My Delonghi Perfecta has been making great coffee and working well, but it has sprung a leak, leaving large puddles on the counter every day. Because of the great coffee, I was willing to look past this small shortcoming, but this kind of thing can be a source of marital distress, so I thought I should look into it. I'm just going to jump into this, but you can check out this earlier video on the Perfecta if you want to see how to open the back of the unit. It's super easy. This is looking at the back of the unit. This is the pump, and here are the lines that carry pressurized water throughout the system. These lines have a ferrule at each end that allows the line to be held in place by a small clip. Butted up against the ferrule is a small O-ring, and I think that's what failed here. We have very hard water, and you can see the mineral deposits around this connection, so that's the first clue. Upon further inspection, I could see a small amount of water pooled at the bottom of this rubber bracket, so this really looks to be the location of the leak. Here you see me pulling out the little clip that holds that line in. Then as I pull the line out, you'll see the ferrule, but the O-ring is still stuck inside that housing. So here you see I'm just using a small pick to get that O-ring out. I didn't know for sure it's damaged, so you just have to be careful when you do this to not damage the O-ring. So here's a side-by-side, and the one on the right is the one I just pulled out, and the one on the left is actually not even a new one, but it looks so much better. So when replacing the O-rings, I use this food-safe lubricant, and I just put it all over the O-ring and onto the end of the line with the ferrule. And once that's done, it's just a matter of reinserting it, and then of course putting the clip back in, followed by a test. Okay, well, I'm guessing that washer that I used, which was a used washer, maybe wasn't so good. So now it's time to go get some new ones. So when I looked online for this O-ring, they're almost $4 a piece, which seems pretty egregious. So I got the dimensions and just searched for a silicone O-ring and found these on Amazon. So I'm going to give these a try. I'll leave a link in the description. And if they don't work out, then I'll try something else. So I'm happy to say, at least for the moment, my Perfecta is drip free, so I hope this helps someone out there. Take care.